Hello, good day. Here is a simple task management system. You can use it for service management, service tickets, tasks, or maintenance schedules as well. So these are some tickets that have been created. So the whole concept is configurability. For example, this is a pipeline that we have set up for these tasks or service requests. So first it will be an open task and then it will be assigned to someone. It might go into overdue, and whenever it's completed it will go into delayed completion or timely completion, and if the need be it can be cancelled as well, right? So this entire pipeline is configurable as visible here in the statuses. You can change the colors, add another step in routine, and so on, right? Other than that, there are some supporting tables like the clients where you can keep adding clients, and then there is the departments, right, where it could be departments or the service categories, for example, right? Going back to task bucket. So over here you also have a grid view, which is like the power user, the desktop view, and it seems like an Excel sheet, and here you can make entries much faster. So for example, if I want to create a new client, suppose an organization by the name ProTech Private Limited, and contact person is maybe Varun Kumar, right? And he has some sort of a number and maybe some email, right? And some address, for example 27, right? So you can easily add a client, and you can assign the client. You can search the client over here, and suppose I want to, oh sorry, this was the filter. So you can add the client like over here, and you can choose the department or service you want to create the task for, and you can dynamically create one as well. Suppose it is like a routine maintenance. So I just have to press enter, and the new category gets created, and monthly visit, something of this sort. And you can choose to assign it to someone or not at this time, and then the due date by default is today. You can choose it to be maybe 2 days from now, and so on. And you can create an entry, right? So an entry got made and it's gone into open as of now because I've not assigned it to anybody, right? And the moment I assign it to somebody, maybe Rahul, then it will become an assigned ticket. And this is the mobile view, and over here if you go to the bottom, so this new ticket has been assigned to Rahul. Now there are various filters, like you can see assigned by person, and you can also see by client, for example, right? And so in the mobile the mobile view will also be there, right? For example, this one. And over here the particular technician can, or the field agent can mark it as complete after the task is done, and save it, right? So because I did it on time, it was due in 2 days and I've done it on time, so it's marked into timely completion, right? So this is a brief about how the ticket system works. And there's a concept of task delegation as well, where you can create certain templates, like for a particular department, what kind of task. Maybe you want to have some sort of a recurring application happening for Varun, so you will do an yearly frequency and maybe set the date. So every year on this date an entry will get made, right? And further the entry will come over here, and finally they'll get notified on WhatsApp or email whenever a particular task is assigned to someone, right? So this is the whole concept of the task delegation system, and you can of course create new tasks from here as well. Finally, it's possible to take feedback and signature as well from the client. Like if I go to add sign, it's possible that we're able to take some sort of a sign and some sort of a rating as well. So this is a brief about the simple ticket management or task delegation system. Thank you.